Here is the quick, simple take before you buy. What's up, everyone? Today we're looking at a product worth your attention. Are you ready to revolutionize your workspace with the most intelligent desk companion out there? The LOOI Robot Space Black AI Desktop Companion from Tangible Future. This robot is not just a pretty face, it's a game changer. With its sleek and modern design, LOOI is sure to turn heads, but what really sets it apart is its impressive array of features. Many customers have fallen in love with LOOI, and it's easy to see why. It's extremely well-reviewed and a popular choice among those looking to upgrade their desk space. One of the standout features of LOOI is its wireless charging capability, which allows you to simply place your phone on its back and enjoy a convenient and clutter-free charging experience. The sound of your phone snapping into place is incredibly satisfying, and the feel of knowing your device is charging without being tethered to a cable is pure bliss. LOOI also comes equipped with a face-tracking camera, which allows it to follow your movements and provide a sense of personality to your interactions. The gentle hum of the camera as it moves is almost soothing, and the result is a truly immersive experience. But LOOI is more than just a novelty. It's a practical everyday helper. With features like reminders, weather updates, and a standby clock, LOOI is the perfect addition to any workspace. Imagine being able to glance over at your desk and see the current time or receive a gentle reminder about an upcoming meeting. The result is a more streamlined and organized you, and that's something to feel good about. Whether you're a busy professional or just someone who wants to add a little excitement to their daily routine, LOOI is the perfect choice. So why settle for a boring, run-of-the-mill desk accessory when you can have a cutting-edge robot like LOOI? It's time to take your workspace to the next level. If this helped, hit link is in the description for the current price. If this review helped, please like the video, subscribe for more honest reviews, and share it if you liked the video.